do you make a soft pizza dough? What makes a pizza dough soft? I am going to share the best 3 simple trick that will surely improve your pizza. First is kneading. Kneading the dough is not all about pressing the dough. Keep in mind that we are kneading the dough to build the gluten, and there is a simple trick, and that is stretching the dough until it become elastic. Just repeat this process until the dough is not sticky and doesn't break apart easily. Pull then twist. Pull then twist just like what I'm doing in my video. Repeat for at least 10 to 15 minutes. When making pizza, using high gluten flour are the best, but if you only have all-purpose flour, you can still make a good dough by applying my 3 simple tricks. Second step. Resting. Most important. Resting the dough allow the yeast to fully activate, allowing our dough to have air pocket which make a pizza light and soft when eaten. Resting also allow our dough gluten to relax after kneading. Resting is a little bit tricky because once dough are over fermented, it will taste bitter like alcohol. After all, alcohol are also made using yeast. Always observe if your dough is double its size, and it means that you can now ball your dough to make pizza. Fun fact, hours of fermentation are always not the same. You can ferment your dough today for 2 hours, but it would require you 3 hours tomorrow. Why? Because of the temperature. The hotter the temperature, the faster the fermentation. If your place is cold, the fermentation would take longer. That is why I can't provide specific hours on how long we should rest our dough. You will need to experiment on this part. Just remember, once dough is double in size, then resting is already finished. You can now move the next process. Third step would be cold fermentation. Cold fermentation is fermenting your pizza dough once you ball it. The cold temperature will slow down fermentation, giving your pizza nice flavor and more softer dough. Cold fermentation can be done at home using refrigerator. Just set the temperature to 6 or 7. Ferment your dough overnight, then thaw it for 2 or 3 hours before making your pizza. This concludes my 3 simple tricks on how to make a soft pizza dough. Leave a comment if what country you are watching from. Check my other video on how to make a pizza dough, from stretching the dough, ingredients measurement and many more. Fun fact, you will surely make a nice delicious pizza if you follow my 3 simple tricks.